SPGC stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at SAC's Parente Golf stock. It is 55% up, and it's such a interesting ticker because, you know, we don't have that much data. Ultimately started trading on the Nasdaq approximately late 2024, like in the middle of December, and I already kind of have my drawings. Context: I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything, and now just looking at SAC's Parente Golf, you can see I was absolutely on point. When I say on point, I really mean on point. Like, if I saw a double break, I was willing to take things low, and it was almost there and then reached up, which is completely fine with me. Right, this is the previous video. This was like 3 weeks ago. Because I'm not. There you go. You know, at the time we were sitting at 53 cents, and now we're 60. Right, that's cool. But like lowest point was like 27, and then like up until this point, honestly, I love this range. So I'm only willing to double down on this bullish market as long as the price pulls down and gives me a double break. If not, everything's cool. So I will most definitely continue to keep you updated. Mark up the height here real quick. That's how this looks like. And in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting, baby. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.